Hello and welcome to another Vandal vlog video. We're on load number 4. The van's half full. I've got the motors out, they've all been scrapped. Let's go and see if we can get this van filled up before half 4, before the scrapyard shuts. Let's get another load in. Let's get number 4 done. Let's go and see what we can find. What up, Vandals? I know you don't like chest cam, I know you don't want to see my legs, but I don't want to get it on my face today. Just don't like it, it creeps me out during the day. But let's go and see what we can find. Hopefully we'll get some really good treats. Pretty bleak so far. The streets are clean. There's a few little bits and pieces around, but I need the big stuff. I don't want that little stuff. We'll save that for the flatbed vans. Onward. Pull over here, something just caught my eye. Try not to hit any curbs. I've got some in here. Little scraps of metal. What's up, man? A few bits and pieces, I'll take it now. Bit of cord in it. I'll take anything today. Yeah. Oh, bloody lights. I was here yesterday. So I got the boiler. I've got a lamp with a cord on it. Oh yes. So it's plastic. Oh, get off. Here's our first big score. Tumble dryer. Yes. Oh, she's an old school one. She's old school. It's mine. Oh yes. Oh yes, indeedly. Sorry guys. Put my squeeze in there. Snips. back there. And that. There. Score. Oh, that, what's that over there? Is that a heater? Bloody microwave here. Looks like an old Lee and all. What's he got? All sorts of crap here. Sweet. Take microwave. I'll say that's aluminium. Could be wrong. Oh. Boom. Oh, good times. Good times. Oh, it's not even metal, is it? Or is it? Something caught my eye over there. Let's go and have a little butcher's. Go and have a little look. It's metal, is it? It's wood. It's got to be. Oh, got my glove. That's a brolly. Wood and a brolly. I don't want wood. Shit, I don't really want that in my life. I don't think I do. Nah. Check it out, we've got a bit of GoPro on the headrest action going on here. Well, we're going to the scrapyard. This has been weighed and paid for. Oh, piggy. Woo! Yeah! So this will be weighed and paid for. And we've got a bunch of cord and stuff here. You can't see. Don't need to sort out. Just keep you where you are for the moment. The sound here sounds terrible, but see what I can see. I can't get the back door open anyway. But yeah, see when we get there. Here we go then. Don't know what that picture's like. Probably crap. Alright, we're around all that. Why do I always come here when the big trucks are here? Got some good skills going on with the old truck here. Give them that. buddy. Don't go about it. He even watches me out. What an asshole. Throw this outside. Weighed and paid. Weighed out and paid out. Oh yes. What did it weigh? What did it pay? Number 4, is it? Yep, number 4. It was a net of 280 kilograms. I thought it was going to be about 300 at 110 a tonne, which gave me a final sum of £30 and 80p, which was not too bad. Not too bad at all. But I'm already on number 5, and we're getting there. We're getting there. And everything's going good. So that's 4 this year. How many tons is that so far this year? What are we on? A couple of ton. It's getting near to it. Anyway, couple hundred quid so far. It's not too shabby. I'll take that. Cool. Oh well. The question is, can you make a living out of scrap metal? I mean, the general consensus is that no, you can't, and I'm sort of leaning towards the same way. But it depends what you, I don't know, what do you call it, a living? I mean, I could live, if I could get £300 a week, I can live on that. I'd have to watch the pennies and stuff, but 300, I could live on that quite comfortably. But I won't be able to save any money or nothing. But we'll find out. I'm going to keep going, keep grinding, and I was going to say hustling, and yeah, see what we can do. Obviously, that doesn't include all the copper and the brass and everything else. So I've got loads of copper. Oh, by the way, those 2 grinders, commercial grinders I had, both copper. They've got to have at least 1 kilo each of them, surely. So I've got two copper transformers out of the microwaves, 2 copper motors out of the grinders. I've got a blue or green copper motor out of the, that what I thought was a Hoover was a steamer. I've got a copper motor out of the dishwasher. And the tumble dryer as well, I think. I've got a big bit of brass. I've got loads of stainless, aluminium. I've also got some lead. He gave me some lead. I've probably got 4 or 5 kilos of lead flashing. That was the score. Anyway, this one's done. Anyway, this one's done. Till the next one. Be cool, be kind, and I'll see you wonderful humans next time. We're going street scrapping. Let's go and fill this puppy up. Let's do number 5. Let's get it rolling. I need the money because I've got a blinking flat to paint. See you on the next one.